For years, Huawei and Porsche Design partnered on special edition Mate series phones and smartwatches. But that partnership ended with the Mate 50 Years Porsche Design last year. Huawei is now entering a new phase with its ultimate design lineup, and the Mate 60R's ultimate design is the first device in the new premium line. Specs: Huawei's Mate 60 Years Ultimate Edition is identical to the Mate 60 Pro, featuring a 6.82-inch LiPo Pyron 9000's chipset, cameras, and a 5000 mAh battery. There are notable visual changes, though, as the Mate 60R's Ultimate features a ceramic back and an octagon-shaped camera island. You can choose between red and black colors with dual-tone finishes. Huawei is also offering exclusive free 1-year privileges for Mate 60R's Ultimate Design owners who apply for a Huawei card. These include VIP lounge service at airports and train stations, flight delay insurance, lawyer consultation, and equestrian lessons, among others. Huawei is also selling exclusive Star Diamond protective cases in black and red, which cover the front and back of the Mate 60 Years Ultimate. Huawei Mate 60 Years Ultimate Design is available in black and red colors. It retails for Kani $11,999, $1,641. In its 16,500 12 trim and Kani $12,999, $1,778 for the 16B RAM and On-It B storage version. Open sales in China will start later this month.